Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide tagged photos on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the top right corner of your screen, click the three horizontal lines and you will be redirected to this page. Just scroll down until you find tags and mentions and select them. And then toggle the button on beside manually approved tags. Just confirm that you want to turn it on and then select review tags. And then select tagged. And here you will see all the photos that you've been tagged before. So as you can see, I have one tagged photo. And if you want to hide this one from your profile, just click select and then just select the photos or the posts that you want to hide from your profile. And in here you have two options, either to remove or to hide. So since this tutorial is for hiding tagged posts, click hide and just confirm that you want to hide this tagged post. And that's how you can easily hide tagged photos on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!